This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Kathy Worthen. Built in 2017. Single family, 4-bed/2.5 bath home, located in Pointe, has an open floor plan west/large eat-out island, eat-in kitchen, and pantry. Stainless steel appliances. Spare room/office located on first floor, along with a half BTH off the garage entry. Primary bedroom west/ensuite and spacious closet. Other bedroom have spacious closets. $5,000 toward new flooring at closing with full price offer. Located near interstates, bases, shopping, and entertainment. For more information, review the details below.